So here we are at Mowing With A Breeze once again, and they have a hood here. It says it's comfortable vented hood, Heppa Filter air, no more breathing in dust and pollen. And we have some people here, looks really familiar. I believe that's some moonshiners, old Mark Digger. Is that who they have here?
Mark and Digger.
Mark and Digger themselves, right here. Hello. What?
That's Digger. That's Mark.
That's Mark.
He's the prettiest. He's the smart.
You're not gonna let me forget that, are you? All right. So tell me about this product we got over here, guys.
You go ahead. This thing's better than peanut butter. I tell you.
This thing right here.
As simple as it is, you can't believe how effective it is.
Really?
I mean, it'll make an old man feel young, and a young man just want to feel. All that good cool air coming over your noggin while you're dusty and hot.
Now, I hate to tell everyone I ain't got field vision yet. I ain't got field vision. I got smell-o-vision. I don't really have
Well,
that.
obviously, we saw you, and it ain't working too well. So, yeah.
I knew I had a problem with that too. So
honestly, the thing about this rascal, that little bit of air creates positive pressure in there. We'll be through in a minute.
Positive pressure over your face, directly over your nose.
Keeps all the dust, pollens, allergens out.
Blown down.
Man, keeps your head cool. Your head don't sweat no more.
All right. Now, how does this thing operate?
You nose every night when you get through mowing.
Oh, if you make it tonight.
It operates off of the battery on the mower or the tractor, whatever you chose, whatever.
All right. So you can hook it directly in the mower. It doesn't draw much amperage.
No. On a dusty road on your side by side, where it keeps all that out of your lungs.
You could technically wear a battery and use it for trimming and blowing dust.
Yeah, that's in the works.
All right.
Baby steps, you know.
So y'all put your name on this thing basically because you've used this.
I've used it a lot. Digger's used it some. He just got a tractor and he's used it a lot since he got it. Hogging, digging, it'll get all that dust out. When Mike presented this to me, we met in a restaurant. I didn't know him from Adam. He asked me if I'd endorse something for him, and I told him if it worked, and I believed in it, I would. And he gave me one, said take it and try it, and you let me know. So.
Well, let me ask you something. Now I better get in here because if I say this, I better have my face in it before I say this. You see, it's full of
he may be that, but I've not known him to lie. So.
Well, I didn't say he was a lying asshole. I just said is he full of.
He is that. Yeah.
Okay, well.
But that's why we get along so well with him. We don't trust anybody that ain't got a little for. Exactly.
Now y'all on that Discovery Channel television show Moonshiners.
We are.
And y'all do a Moonshining University, right?
We used to. We have.
Well, you have. And last night you had your competition on what was aired on the, what was that, the 20th, the 21st last night, more or less. And I saw something that I don't imbibe, and I know y'all were giving me a little trouble over that while ago because of my memory loss and stuff, because I don't have that memory stuff that y'all say. And or excuse for bad memories.
That's what you ain't got no excuse.
Well, when you see you and I on the same page here.
I got my own these brains. He can.
So that's my problem.
Yeah.
All right. So I saw this deal last night, and it was London Broiled Gin.
It was London Dry Gin. Yeah, no wonder you got the memory problem. Well, you said you was a little bit off plumb there, didn't you?
Well, when I went to gun shows, I always put a table up on one end, put a little bit of a level on it, and put a couple of 357 shells on one end. And that way people come by and they look at them gun tables and they say, something ain't right about that. And I said, well, I just showed you more like that. I sold a lot of stuff, but, so that was London Dry Gin. Yeah, that stuff actually good, because y'all was talking about it sort of fruity last night.
It's made right, it's got fruity floral flavor.
Fruity floral?
But you can smell a lot of juniper, aka pine needles.
Well, it's still gin.
Yeah, it's at the end of the day.
Okay. Right. Well, I saw them putting jalapeno peppers in it.
You can make these new types of gins, you can put anything. Hell, there ain't no rules.
There ain't no rules?
No.
So you can break rules?
Well, if there ain't no rules, you
That's what I'm thinking. Well, that's pretty smart right there. So, all right, back to this thing right here. You would recommend someone like myself that I am lung challenged, so
most definitely.
So it would definitely enhance my experience on a mower or a tractor?
In a pleasant way.
All right, so
anything in a dusty environment.
so if I were to run this air intake into an ice chest, I'd have cold air intake. Would that work?
It could work.
I'm assuming that it would.
I assume that y'all are probably going to take that and move with it.
Well, we might try that. But I promise you, even with ambient temperature air coming over your head will quit sweating.
If the N95 mask or the suspensions bother you, make you feel claustrophobic, or just smother your head, this is the answer.
It is.
All right, that's what I wanted to know. And so I want y'all to make sure that y'all tell me via some pictures that I can put up on the MaxsGarajMahal video channel that these fellas are actually involved in these things and have known.
We is, we do.
Yeah, so y'all gonna do that?
We'll do a lot of things to you, boss, but lying ain't one of them.
Yeah.
Not on
I ain't gonna lie
purpose,
with you either because my wife's watching it over here, so we got that squared away.
Don't get calluses on your hands
I'm
for patting
telling you
yourself
right
on
now.
the back.
There you go.
Hell.
All right, well, gentlemen, I appreciate you very much.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, Digger.
Good to meet you.
Mr. Martin,
See you,
nice to
sir.
meet you both. We
All right,
appreciate
man.
you. Thank you for your kindness.